Yeah, Trevor.
What about?
Me there.
Everything good?
Yeah, man, everything great, man. How am?
Tell me something. What the next move with that?
The ne- well, I mean, you do your part already. So now me just gotta do what me need to do.
Alright, I'm gonna tell you something. Anything you're gonna do with that brother is concerned, you don't want you to leave, you don't die. You see me?
Trevor, listen, you do your part. You don't need to do nothing else right now.
Alright, I want to see that brother they go down the wickedest way. I'm dead them as a bucket is for you.
What's the bucketive thing, man?
Reggie, it's just cool after them talk, you know, man. You don't know what me I talk about, man.
Trevor, alright. Trevor, you sure you want to go down the road, yeah?
What you mean? I want to take all that. After the brother they deal with certain things, do we have deal with certain things? I have to go down the road.
Ah, boy. Alright, here we go. When me make a move, you make it know.
Yeah, make sure no.
Yeah, man.
I'm about to make me move and then go tell me, say, you never remember to call me, you know.
Don't worry yourself. Now go over the quarry now. We'll get some material. So,
Alright,
me make you know what I go on.
alright, now watch something.
Alright, cool. Yep. Yeah, man. Alright. Yeah. How are you, Trevor? I mean, you want Camille kill? Xpressionz.
Mr. Wallace.
What? You meeting somebody here for lunch?
So what? I can't have lunch by myself?
Well, you can. But it's a little bit savage to be having lunch by yourself, don't you think?
I saw what you did there. Have a good one, Mr. Wallace.
You too, Miss Brissett.
Yeah, that's fine.
I wonder if I follow them, I follow them.
So it's 55 acres on. And him say cash crop him a deal with done already planned a acre, a okra, sweet pepper, corn there too, right? I think says a a progressive move.
Well, sounds like a nice idea, but see, don't you feel like you'll be stretching yourself there? If you take this on, you already have so much going on. You have the funeral home, you have the construction business. Oh, by the way, I haven't heard anything about that. How's that going?
No, it's a bit frustrating, between me and you, I lose to somebody who's in the business a long time. They might give me a warm time.
Lose to the person? What do you mean by that?
Well, the truth of the matter is, you have to bid on projects, right? And everything when I bid on, him outbid me. It look like him a work with people them inside. I don't know if them are, him a tip them off or something.
Oh, so that's how it works. But, hon, don't you think you should have a sit down with the person and try to partner with the person?
Try that already. That just not gonna work out. He want everything for himself. He's a greedy dog.
So what about your friend Carlton? He has been in the business for a long time based on what you said.
Well, Carlton Wallace, him focus kind of shift since of late. And plus, me hear him name a call up on some shady things. I can't afford to make my name there involved in that.
shady things?
Oh yes. Extortion, racketeering, gun runnings, human trafficking.
Human trafficking? But we started dinner with this man.
Trust me, it surprised me too. And I recently me hear about it. You can't trust people at all. You see, that's why I kind of isolate myself. You know what I mean? And that's why I'm really put in consideration where Raul had tell me about the farming thing. Because I did have my heart set on this construction thing with Mr. Wallace. But him disappoint me.
Tony, if you don't hear nothing else from me tell you, make sure you stay far from Carlton.
You don't have to tell me that, babes.
Listen out to your brother. Just listen to him I say. You're not gonna hurt you even if you spend $2 million with this. You spend more than that already.
Yeah, of course, I'm a lose too. You know what I mean? And not no beat a try, but a failure. You get me?
Okay.
And I mean, big piece of land, I don't like it.
Far, but we need a 4x4 for this. You buy me one?
Get one. That's all in the making, man. Farming, so we have to get that.
Alright.
Over here, so you have an acre of okra. That's one of the workman them. Him, fumigate and insecticide the whole place. We have the pig pen and Raul are gonna extend it. And over here, so now, watermelon and pumpkin. The land goes way back. Yeah, so as you can see, we have everything set in motion. Right, so it's a watchman area, right? Because say, we're gonna have that, the pirates, them come out.
Wow. So you have floodlights?
Yeah, just for install them. Tomorrow the brother for.
So you done invest already?
Well, some kind of way.
So you didn't need my approval. You done make a decision already?
Well, when I invest too much in it, I put a stop loss on the investment. Plus, I still need your approval.
Okay. And it's your brother. I feel like you're safe with your brother.
And less stress.
Yes. And, well, babe, anything that makes you happy. Alright? Just want you to be happy.
I won't go after you, child. But I wouldn't hesitate to put it in her head.
Babes?